do you start to pivot towards focusing on AP solutions?
Right. Yes, failure. We were unable to raise zero, no money. So what happened was we tried to sell our offering. People just weren't interested in buying it. So we changed that idea and we went to a second idea. And same outcome. People just weren't interested in it. One of our customers said on the third idea, we've created a problem for him. I'm unable to take the digital purchasing requisition and the paper invoice and match them. And he really simply said, is there any way that you can digitize the invoice so I can match them? And we said, would you be willing to pay for that?